full-scale load testing involves few steps. Firstly, assembling tower horizontally on ground to make sure that they go together as designed. Secondly, tower will be installed on testbed vertically as on site. The next step is installing steel wire ropes. Finally, loads will be applied on this tower by motorized winch. Generally, we picked about 6 sets of load, which are the critical ones, and test the strength of tower for those load cases. If it's a minor failure, they can rectify on the bed, but if it's a major failure, they have to dismantle tower, redesign it, reinstall it, and start again. Once tower sustain 100% of design load, tower test is considered successful and approval is given for mass production of towers. We have thousands of them and we absolutely want to make sure that they can take the loads that they are designed for.